Stunning, unveiled. Understanding the word in English. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the word stunning. You might have come across this word in movies, songs, or even in casual conversations. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it effectively in your conversations. Let's get started. Stunning is an adjective that describes something or someone that is extremely beautiful or impressive. Imagine seeing a view from the top of a mountain, or a person dressed elegantly for a special event. You might be so amazed that you momentarily lose your ability to think or speak. That's when you can describe what you see as stunning. Example 1. The sunset over the beach was stunning. Example 2. She looked stunning in that blue dress. While stunning often refers to beauty, it can also be used in other contexts. 1. Surprise or shock. Sometimes, stunning can mean that something is so surprising that it leaves you momentarily paralyzed or shocked. 2. Example, the news of the sudden merger was stunning to everyone in the industry. 3. Effectiveness or excellence. It can also be used to describe something that is done exceptionally well or is very effective. 4. Example, the athlete's stunning performance earned him a gold medal. Understanding synonyms can help you grasp the essence of the word better. Here are a few synonyms for stunning. Breathtaking, something so beautiful that it seems to take your breath away. Striking, something that catches your attention immediately because it's so noticeable or unusual. Gorgeous, used mainly for people, things, or places that look very beautiful. Impressive, something that evokes admiration because of its quality, size, or skill. That wraps up our journey with the word stunning. Remember, it's a versatile word that can be used to describe beauty, surprise, or excellence. So the next time you see something awe-inspiring or come across a remarkable achievement, you know which word to use. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep learning and see you in the next one.